Hi everyone, it's Tina with COZ Creations. I have a very special video today. This is my collaboration with Cathleen from COZ Creations. So I've been following Cathleen for quite a while. I love her artwork, and here are some of her beautiful pieces. So I reached out to her, and she's nice enough to say yes to do a collaboration with me. So my inspiration is right here. She sent me this, and I'm going to try it in my own way. And these are the colors I'll be using. So she usually swipes with paper towels. Well, at least she did for this one. But I tried that, and I had to actually scrape the canvas. So this is my second attempt. I always swipe with a palette knife, so I'll be swiping with some pieces of alcohol ink paper. And I'll show you that later on in the video. Colors today are a Blick metallic magenta mixed with a little black just to darken it up. The next one is this FX paint and I believe dioxazine purple. And I actually added a little of this Prism Pour Hot Orchid as well. They're really pretty metallics. Second one is Modern Masters Gold and 24 karat Deco Art Gold. Next one is the Prism Pour Ceylon Cinnamon. It's a deep, rich cinnamon, so I added a little 24 karat gold to lighten it up a little bit. Next one is the FX again, Amethyst Purple, and I mixed in a little black to that. Then I have this Folk Art Treasure Gold, Metallic Aquamarine. Next is the Modern Masters Sapphire mixed with Deco Art Pewter. And then I had one that I forgot, and it was this one, the Blick Metallic Turquoise, I believe, Artist Loft, Metallic Black, and some Prism Pour Chrysocolla. I think that's how you say it. And the last is a Deco Art Pearl with a little bit of golden fluid pearl. My base is a black with iridescent medium. All right, enjoy the video, guys.
Stand together when we fall. darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Ooh, let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you, I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right.